ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
The kind of horse, chase. See your honor.
I did show am before, but the way they show your uncle, they make me the.
They're my first. Oh yes. Anyway, if you see us as we do, you go get some idea of why was it on top of the matter. Anyway, unless you begin mama and papa, then will be actually help you manage your teeth. And they even can't teach you what you go do to make sure say your teeth, you know what they cause all the badness and the food where they cause badness. If you don't get that kind of one, if you to get one or two problem with your teeth, and then this one if you be saying that maybe toothache, enamel discoloration or enamel spoilage, or say your teeth the color they change. That's why on top today's episode, on top this special package, we don't bring on top your health. The only show of lifestyle and our body, teeth, healthy teeth, well body things on top your teeth matter. But as always, I'm trying to be very gentle. My name na Luchi Inomo, your Naija half caste. And not be only me inside studio here. I'm a very cool girl. I don't talk too much. I always like to have my other half, the two of us. Without two of us, we'll not do this show together. Her name, she can introduction herself. Just hold it.
Now what you talk to me we do before me?
Okay,
but you know why they look you like that?
Why?
You say you're trying to be gentle. It's not in your character.
Why?
Drop it. Bring Luchi back. Bring my Luchi back. I don't know who this person is.
Na hashtag.
I beg you. Welcome to the show. My name na Dr. Adora. And yes, so the matter where they ground now. Now teeth with the talk. How to have healthy teeth something. When my sister they talk, say our parents they take care of our teeth. Even if your parents they take care of your teeth. The thing be say as you they grow old, they mature, they chop some kind mature food. The color of your teeth go they change whether you like them or not. So in case you be in the white teeth, that's you be that type before. It's very possible that as you are growing older, your teeth go they changing a coloring because of the kind food where you they chop and some kind other we get them. Now those kind things, some of those things we want yarn you on top the show today. Starting with food where you fit chop, we go make your teeth they well, we will not say 100% white, but it will help it. It will help its whitenicious ministry. Yes, it will help the thing to be whiter than it be before now. Then on top that one, we even get what will be the next thing again we supposed to talk?
My dear.
My
dear, no be say your teeth they forget to the teeth they talk again.
You know say na teeth matter, na teeth, you know. But you know when teeth things come up, what comes to my mind is food because after what you used to eat food is not teeth. So it just reminds me say I dey hungry well.
So you like a food like this?
I like food. Food is good for the body now.
I said they talk about all seriousness.
No, but you need food for your. Don't you need food for your body? You need food for your body, but just eat right.
Talk.
So we got to share with you some hard and weird. That's what we they talk about. Some kind things we concern your teeth. We you no even know before. We go share them with you on top of the show. Then after that one, we can't even bring to you some kind foods where you feel chop, where they discolor your teeth. All those kind of things will send you on top of the show. Then you get one part where we bring like this, where they talk about rubber band. Somebody go ask me now, how rubber band relates with it. If you stay, watch them, you go know what thing they talk about. So make you not just try yourself. As they talk, if na maybe you, keep your eyes wide open and your ears glued to your screen because we got plenty better information for you on top of the show today.
Yes, we'll not say, we'll not, you go know some of them. So make you not avoid food like beverages like tea, maybe dark soda and fruit juice. Because all those ones, they go stain your teeth, can't come out this discoloration. But we need to also let you know, say, natural kind food. Like the one I want to give you now, the one I want you say, start your day. This one, it is very, very good for you. But before I go release them, don't forget our social media day for there for you to check your mouth inside. Let us all be doing our Popo Gari teas together. I like Popo Gari. So every time they hear me talk Popo Gari, it's not that I'm from there. I never go
talk say now only me like food.
I never go chop one, but just like I like
the name
Popo Gari.
Okay, I beg if you get Popo Gari, please bring it for my sister on
not
the show.
just Popo Gari.
Because if it be waiting the hungry I'm right now. Okay,
like
Popo Gari and fish. Because if it be waiting Oga one chop now.
So at this point in time,
yes.
Exactly. Anyway, one of the fruits will help you whiten your teeth. If you get white teeth, we finer than my own, if it. Anyway, a strawberry. Yes, when I say strawberry, they're red. They're red in color. But they get one kind component where they help make your teeth white. What did this one be? Now malic acid. They call it malic acid. They act as natural cleanser where they remove surface tooth color discoloration. That's not all the discoloration. And I beg, if your teeth is the color of our dresses, let them do your best.
Luciano. How person teeth could be the color of our dresses?
Hey, because talk say because you never see them.
Only
Because
see,
you
in a
never
different
see
case,
am.
if the mouth they bleed, if the gum they bleed, a different case than when you talk say person get teeth will be the color of our dress.
No, but you know say this na the color of the season. So we just dey talk and say because na the color of the season now.
Some people feel go paint their teeth.
If you go paint their teeth, so okay, everything has to be reddish, you know. You don't say na even different shades of red. So and you're telling me say person teeth don't get different shades of red?
Wait, Luchi, you go bring picture. You have to bring evidence. Maybe now inside your village.
Like they are Google it. According to some English, Google it. Google it, and you will not. Whether you will not see, it's a goggle, baby. Because Google it and so whether you will not see multicolored teeth there on top of your goggle, Google it very well. All right, on top of this strawberry matter, to see the talk say this strawberry too now also it get anti-aging effects. That means say you get something that will make you look very very young. There's some people they even use this fruit, they mash them. And they mash, can't leave for their teeth for like 5 minutes before they will come rinse them. And this way they make the teeth they more exposed so that the time when the malic acid go feel work, you go get enough time to do proper work on top.
Well, from there, the next one we will go enter now. You don't hear say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That thing, not be small talk, na real talk. You know why? When you dey chop apple, what thing they do? They say it help you secrete extra saliva. And as you secrete this extra saliva, what thing that one go to do? Go to wash away the food debris. You understand? All those nyama and jabberjantin things where they inside the mouth. That now waiting the saliva where you they produce as you they chop apple. They do for you. And because they do this one, it help come out nonsense smell. Because you know say most of the people where they are mouth odor things. If they chop apple, they no go they experience all these ones like I don't talk now. So don't hear them. An apple a day keeps the dentists away. Try the chop apple, make it they take care of your teeth for you. From there we go work and enter the oranges and the pineapple. They also do similar functions, so they help you to secrete saliva. But please make sure it is orange that is very ripe. And pineapple that is ripe, not all those ones when you put them for inside your mouth, you go they slap you, tam pam 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 pam, and waiting they slap you now all those acid things where they release. You go be like say, Kai, you know when you put some kind of fruit for your mouth, your face change. Know that type is not good for you because the acid inside it even cause corrosion. Yes, now corrosion I go call up inside your mouth. Unto say if they chop your teeth, that acid go they chop your teeth gently. And things like lime and lemon too. If they're not. So please be careful of those ones. But all the one where I mentioned, apple, orange, pineapple, ripe ones, please. They're very good for your mouth.
Very, very good for your mouth. Not the acidic ones as Dr. Dora don't talk. All right, and you go to wonder this next one, how we take manage enter inside the picture? Baking soda? Yes, so because I know say many of us will not say baking soda would and take do only one thing. This is what? Baking. But some of us don't know say get some other food function where they do for inside our body. Now you know say when you take all these fruits and all these things, it go take time before it starts to work. But with baking soda, before you know what they happen, if you don't use them 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 50, 70, 100 times, you go to see the effect. If you use hydrogen peroxide, don't call take goggle for your mouth. If you mix them with the baking soda, it will also help. And this same baking soda, it also help for heartburn. So you see, get all that is where they use. They useful for not only to bake. It's not only for that puff bump wafers, pastries. Then way they always chop. Baking soda too, they help whiten your teeth.
You know why they talk say cheese?
Yes.
Hey, that now because the cheese itself is good for your teeth. Yeah. Unto say it gets calcium, and you know say waiting calcium they do now. They help your teeth. They very kakaraka. They very strong. Maybe not they break anyhow. Especially for those of you who like to open mineral with your teeth. That is very wrong. But in case you want to be doing it, you can be eating cheese. And when they tell you say cheese, you say cheese better, because now you understand say cheese they help you because it get calcium inside. Well, they don't tell us say please take a break. Una to talk on top this now your health. Dr. Adora and Luchi, your own is too much. Well, it's not our fault. We just want the casualness of your body. So the next way they come now, understand?
You know why I just want to enter your talk now? Because this next segment, they say for Romans that time, they use goat milk. They go for their teeth. But now before they go use the goat milk, they go use peas. They go use peas. They go. Because peas get what you get ammonia. And ammonia is a bleaching agent.
To bleach their teeth, make it white. Okay, if you want to find out more, please do not change that channel.
Peace.
Just keep your eyes focused. Yeah. Shall be back.
Your peace, her peace.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
Welcome back. Say cheese. Yay. We still there on top na your health. The one and only show where they make sure say, hey, you mix all the lifestyle better informate with health matters. To make sure say your body they very, very casual. But not just your body, including your mind and everything will concern you and your family. We don't dey yarn since so they come about our teeth. That's now why I say make you say cheese. As in the kind healthy food where you supposed to chop. Food will go help to whiten your teeth. Now that one we just pass, they go. On top that one again, sir, we even can use some kind things, you know, where you supposed to use to make sure say, all those things where some kind of strange people they do, some hard and weird facts we concern teeth. How person go use peace for inside mouth on top waiting? Is whitening of teeth.
No, but Dr. Odora, see, I try to put myself in their shoes. Look at it from this angle. Now your body, now your peace.
I not follow for
your body, not be your peace.
Not verse.
Now my peace.
You see why me I believe I not believe in anything where no be tablets.
Not be my peace. Not be inside my body. Come out from.
So if you drink your peace, feel free. You cannot drink my peace. That
time when Igbo film be there, that first Igbo film where the person turn mad where you peace, you drink in peace.
That one and that person, and like you talk say that time Igbo film, okay? In this real life,
from your body.
I'm not drinking any peace. Thank you very much. If you want to come out on top the matter, you want talk your own, no as we do on top this show now. We did on top Facebook. Yes, and you fit follow us personally, bumper to bumper on top Instagram, and you fit follow us on top a Twitter, and you fit even send us mail. Make we know you fit use your piece, rinse your mouth. If they tell you say it go make your teeth whiter, I don't talk my own on top the show. Yes, right about now, won't enter the next thing, and that now some of the foods will go help, you know. We know they're good for your teeth. And wait till we want begin the sun tune now. Baluchi, take us there.
Yes, I don't want to take us go back, but at the end of the day, I go take on and go back at the end of the show, but that's in front. And this one, the kind of food where you need to avoid, chewing gum. You know, see this chewing gum where they come up preaching is actually chewing gum. But we don't know how to chewing gum. Minella. Energy drink. All of you now we want power, immediate power. Make una calm down. Because first of all, chewing gum, the thing they gum for your teeth, they gum for your mouth. And when you gum, they hard to remove. It is very, very hard to remove it. That one is for chewing gum. Mineral, of course, we don't say mineral get acid. Now sugar now, it get acid for inside. The same thing with energy drink. When you take energy drink or you take mineral, now acid when they pour, you they pack. And some people when they drink mineral, if let's say they go with them first, they first do. You want me to say everywhere now the mineral they enter. So you don't get hiding place at all. They cause heavy badness. And some mama papa them, they don't know say when they introduce their pikin to this kind of thing, they cause badness on the pikin. Milk teeth. That means say the milk teeth don't go last as long as it's supposed to last before the permanent one come out. And then when the permanent one come out, because that pikin don't they use to drink mineral anytime, any day, you go to the drink like that, and they're bad for the dental status.
I remember when I see one papa full big sneakers. This pikin never reach 7 months, so he give the girl
chocolate.
Just chop. Yes, chocolates. Just give her. She just dey chop am. They do. I come tell her say, nah. How you go do this kind of thing to your small pikin? She never reach 7 months. You give her full chocolate, full bar, big one. She dey chop and they go. I say, please don't do that. He say, leave, nothing. She will soon change the teeth. I say, change the teeth will never come up. It is well. Not they spoil your pikin with all those kind of things. Anyway, from there we go enter the next one, and that now acidic foods. Yes. any food where they overly acidic, like some fruits where we don't mention before. If you know, say you be one of those people where they like to do lemonade things, you like to use lemon inside your water, lemon inside. It's not a bad thing. Lemon get cleansing effect, but at the same time, it is very acidic. You know what they do? It go they cause corrosion. Yes, erosion of your teeth. And what be this erosion where they talk? Go they chop out some of those things we're supposed to make the teeth strong, make it dey kakaraka. The acid go they wash them off. You know what acid they do if you pour acid on top of somebody, or if you pour them on top something. You know acid they take burn things. That's why you think go they burn your teeth gently like that. So I beg, be careful of eating overly acidic foods, because this one, as they chop your teeth like that, you go they leave them open for decay and other badness to follow the matter. I beg, stay clear of acidic food, or they chop them small. And if you chop them, please rinse your mouth with water. You understand? With clean water, please. Very important.
Clean water, they rinse am with clean water. Bread, pasta, potato, wetin dem get in common? You go dey wonder, all of them are carbohydrates. And yes, you know say for this our society, especially for Naija here where we dey, where carbohydrate and we dey chop, starch morning, starch afternoon, starch night. How can we avoid this? We no fit avoid am. But the core of the matter na say, you need to know say carbs, then dey inside this one. And na these carbs, na they cause heavy badness for inside your teeth. Carbohydrates, or how when you chop them, it dey stick, it dey gum your teeth. Even when you rinse and say to an extent, that rinsing gets your own level way if you know if you pass. Even when you rinse and get your own level, you know if you pass. Or how when you pass that one, you're on your own. And the amount of sugar where they pack for inside this thing, don't forget to say this now all carbohydrates. So when you want to take any of these things, you need to check the amount of added sugar, the quantity where they on top any of this is before you go take them, so that you go know what they pack for inside your teeth and your body. At this point in time, we need to buy small break. We need to go on another break, because even myself, I need to look at my teeth again, because the last time when I start, it be white. But now I don't over talk, giving us free information. If you like say it don't they fade small.
Why? Because saliva don't they dry.
Thank you.
We shall see you when we come back.
We're coming back.
Rubber band things next.
Yes. Rubber band. Ciao.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
Hi, I'm Katrina Zish for Howdini. Today we're going to find out how to get a healthy mouth in just 3 steps. To do that, I'm joined by Dr. Brian Cantor, cosmetic dentist. Nice to see you, Brian.
Nice to see you. How are you?
I'm great. Now I want to dive right in though. What are some of the keys to maintaining a healthy mouth?
You know, today having a healthy mouth is more important than ever. Actually, having a healthy mouth can lead to having a healthier body. It's more important than ever to take good care of your mouth. So what I tell all of my patients to have 3 easy steps: a good diet, see your dentist twice a year regularly for cleanings and checkups, and to have good oral hygiene.
Okay, now let's focus a little bit on good oral hygiene.
Yes.
Brushing, flossing, mouthwash. Is there an order?
Well, the most important thing, yes, is brushing twice a day, flossing twice a day, and rinsing with mouthwash. I say brushing and flossing, you can pick whichever one you want to do, and then you should end with rinsing with mouthwash, because it washes it away and it actually leaves you with fresh, minty breath.
I love fresh minty breath.
Yes.
Okay, toothbrushes. Some people swear by their electric toothbrush and they say it does a better job than a manual toothbrush. Is that true?
Well, actually, whatever works for you, I say to the patient, whatever works for you, you can use, manual or electric. The beauty of an electric toothbrush is it does some of the work for you. There's a timer. It makes sure you brush each quadrant. There are 4 quadrants for 30 seconds each, so it times you, and at 2 minutes it beeps, so it knows you've actually done a thorough job. The manual toothbrush, you actually have to do manually with no timer.
Oh, no.
It requires a little more effort, but if you feel comfortable with it, that's great. But the most important thing, no matter if it's manual, electric, battery powered, is the bristles. It has to have soft bristles.
Feel it.
They're soft, medium, and hard.
So when you're shopping, you should look for, I guess it says soft bristles.
Soft, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
It's imperative.
Speaking of shopping for toothbrushing products, toothpaste. There are
Yes.
so many out there. Does it really matter which one I choose?
Yes, the most important ingredient in toothpaste is it has fluoride. Fluoride will actually helps remineralize the enamel, so it makes the teeth healthier. So the most important ingredient in the toothpaste is fluoride. Most toothpaste have fluoride, but make sure it has it. There are a lot of other ingredients that some toothpaste have, and you have to pick and choose what works best for you. There are some that have a minty fresh. For people with bad breath, they get a more of a minty taste. There are some that has anti-sensitivity for people with sensitive teeth or gums that have receded. They want a toothpaste that actually helps decrease the sensitivity. There's also whitening toothpaste, which help remove surface stain a little better than other toothpaste. So you really have to see what works best for you.
Okay, fantastic. Now, flossing, of course, is one of those key things, and it goes way beyond just removing those food particles from between the teeth.
Yes, flossing is imperative. The teeth have a lot of surface area, a lot of hard to get places, and food gets trapped all over. And you have to really get all the food out because the food accumulates bacteria, and the bacteria cause bad breath and decay. So flossing actually gets in between the teeth and gets the food particles out, and it also gets underneath the gums. Now there's different types of floss, and you can use what's best for you. There's wax floss. People with very tight contacts, so in the back of your mouth, the posterior, some of those molars are really tight together, and it's hard to get regular floss in there. So that person should use wax floss because the wax actually gets in there easier, it slips in there, and it's easier to get through.
Fantastic.
So again, you should try different types of floss and see what works best for you.
Okay. Now, flossing, though, of course, some people think, I can do it once a week, but you say twice a day for flossing.
Yes, the three most important parts of the oral hygiene is having brushing twice a day, minimum, flossing twice a day, and rinsing with mouth rinse twice a day as well.
Okay. And of course, one of the most important parts is coming to see the dentist. How
Most-
often should we come see you?
Twice a year. If you have the best oral hygiene in the world, you still have to come see the dentist. It's important to have a professional cleaning and to get examined by a dentist. There are a lot of infections and diseases that actually show signs in the oral cavity before it spreads elsewhere. Oral cancer, leukemia, HIV, these all show signs and symptoms in the mouth. So the dentist is almost like a detective and can detect some of these symptoms before it becomes a problem.
Okay, well, thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Cantor. I think I'm ready to go floss. How about you?
Now your health don't return.
We're still on top of TT Matters. If you just join us, you have missed a lot. Because today on top of this show, on top of this Now Your Health, you know what we dey yarn you? We yarn you about some kind foods. All of now where they find white teeth. Yes,
That's what's up.
we yarn you the kind food where you go dey chop to make sure say your teeth. I not talk say the thing go dey paper white though, because if you get paper white teeth, that one self na problem on your own. But we yarn you some kind foods where you go chop to make sure say your teeth dey on point. Then from that one, we even yarn you some hard and weird facts. This one, it hard where because I can't even get over it. Say person they use peace. Wait, peace where they piss for inside toilets. They go use and gargle their mouths.
And some
to
people can
take-
do it. With the right, for the right amount, Adora, I can do it.
For which amount? Person
For
go pay you
the
make you
right,
put your.
for my own peace.
I
for
take the
the-
benefit the person.
For the right amount, I go do one because that money I go take part of and go doctor to cleanse my system.
I'm happy for you.
Thank
you no
you.
go mention the amount.
Eh.
In case person won't challenge you.
Billions.
Billions.
Not in our currency. Foreign currency. Billions. I go do one.
Okay, from there we can even tell you some kind foods where you're not supposed to chop because they cause gbege for inside your mouth. Very loaded something today. Then that rubber band matter. You're on your own.
All right, yes, we'll go. I go just use this opportunity to just tell everybody, say, yes, we know say other ways there to make your teeth whiter in a faster time. But this one will bring the natural method. We know they tell you, say, may you go use any artificial thing. But if you want to use artificial thing, on ya, no. But make sure, say, make you see your dentist at least once every 6 months. That's not twice a year to check the kind level of the status of your teeth on top every way concern your well body. But at this point in time, we have to do what? We have to come and
Time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Get around here, Kiki.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.